motorcycles. There's tons. And people are going, I need to sell it. I can't afford storage. I have nowhere to store my motorcycle this year. And I'm like, oh, fuck, man. There's some really good prices out there.
I found a Triumph Rocket 3.
Yep.
Red and chrome with a blockout on it too.
Okay.
2021. 18.9.
Is that a good price for it?
It's 34 brand new.
Oh, wow.
Because I think a lot of people buy them, but they find out, oh fuck, these things are a little bit of money to insure.
All right.
So they kind of figure, hey, change it around or something. I don't know.
Correct.
But that's a bike where my insurance company said, yeah, we're not even gonna fucking insure it.
Oh, fuck.
I still like that bike.
Yeah, but that's to be an insurance out there that will insure it, but not for a fortune either. I wish we had insurance like the States does, man. Fuck, they can insure everything and anything for cheap.
Yeah.
Up here in Canada, we're fucked. Anyway you look. Because insurance companies have a monopoly up here, so
yeah.
You know, bring competition in and you'll see how prices drop. Even with our cell phones, fuck, we're paying double what the United States pays.
Did you put long johns on or no?
No.
I did.
Oh, I went out yesterday, I was fine. But also I wasn't doing 80 kilometers an hour either.
Yeah.
I was driving in the city. The most I did was like 60. I got my heated vest on. I just haven't plugged it in yet. Hey, stay there. Don't sneak out. The guy's an idiot. He's got this nice turning lane here in the center. Like you can pull up to it and wait.
Yeah. Little chilly.
Oh, it is. Oh, I look at it, you know what? We're not going far. We're not going that fast. We're not hitting highways. And the sun's out. That's a nice part. Yesterday, when I went out, it was overcast the whole day. I just went out. It took me an hour to get to the bank. I took my time. And then I did the same, came home. That was fine. Gabriel's like, where are you going? Isn't it cold outside? I'm like, no. He goes, I froze yesterday. Oh, he was a Halloween haunt yesterday.
Yeah, he likes that job, eh?
Oh, God, yeah. He got another certificate for Monster of the Night.
Nice.
Yeah, so he's got, what, 2 this year? I think 1 last year. He just goes, it was so cold, his chainsaw stopped working last night.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Because they're battery operated.
Oh, I hear that.
So it doesn't produce any heat. I go, no, if you had a gas one, thing will run forever in the cold. Because once it warms up, all you got to do is put fuel and keep on going.
Yeah, just bring a Gatorade bottle of fuel or something.
Yeah. Oh, they had them last year. They had the gas ones. But they kept on, somebody who was mixing the gas did not the right ratio. And, they blew the chainsaws.
Rings. Yeah.
Yeah, just be
Is there a
careful.
ride?
I think it's over here is our road. I said just be careful on the corners.
Oh yeah,
'Cause our
tires are colder now.
Oh God, yeah.
Oh, it's not like we're sport bike cleaners anyways.
No, definitely not. The sign on the road said max 160.
Stay game?
On the road, there was a sign that says max 160.
Oh, I said 60, not 160.
Oh no, I read 160. It was the Autobahn. Hey, I identified that thing said 160. Oh, look at the trees here.
Oh, look at the leaves.
Oh, I know. Right on the road too. Oh, just be careful.
Yeah, for
Because those fucking things are slippery. Too bad the exhaust doesn't blow on the left side. I would clean them all out. Hey, that night that I came by and I rev bombed you guys, your house.
Oh yeah.
Was it loud?
It shook the house, I'll say that. And then Colton's like, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's Louis doing? What's Louis doing? I go, he's just rev bombing us to say, ha ha, I'm out riding and you're not.
Oh, we did come back from riding. I just went to Home Depot after.
Yeah. Yeah, she was, even my wife was like, holy hell.
I know. Yeah, I stopped right in front of your house.
I figured.
I didn't even roll by. I just said, "Fuck it, I'm stopping." You're lucky. You're lucky I didn't pull into the driveway too.
Yeah, but you did it for like a good fucking 15 seconds.
Yeah. I wanted to make sure you heard me.
Yeah, there's no denying that.
That was just to say thank you for the good ride that we had.
That was a good day.
That was. I enjoy all our rides.
I saw the video about that. You edited out the part where that the guy with the flat tire.
Yeah.
But then after, we're saying a few choice words about the electric car.
Oh. Who gives a shit? I stopped editing.
I'm like, damn, I do swear a lot sometimes. I was playing it for my wife. She goes, Jesus, you don't talk like that at home. I go, no.
It's a biker thing. Fuck this, fuck that.
Yeah, there's no kids around.
No.
I'm not impressing anyone.
And the thing is, I don't have it on, I have it for over 16 on the video.
Oh, okay.
So there is a warning. So if you have a parental thing on your YouTube, you won't ever see my video. I don't give a shit. I'm going to swear. I'm going to swear. Try not to. But, you know, once in a while, it's like, fuck, the word comes out.
It comes out.
Trying to warm up my tires.
I think they'll cool off faster than they'll warm up at these temps.
Oh, definitely. And the size of these tires on this bike are huge. Who knows how many more days we have left to ride.
I think this is the last one, buddy.
No, I never say never.
Well, for you, probably not, but next weekend looks like 9 degrees and cloudy.
Yeah. This week.
And you're in November next week.
No, I know. Oh, what's it called? This week I gotta winterize my backyard. Put all my furniture away.
I already did that.
No, like I've been so lazy.
I got down to -2 or 3 last night. Right?
Yeah, it did. Yeah, when I fill up the tank, I'm going to put some fuel stabilizer in there for the winter.
Yeah, I gotta go buy some. I meant to buy some today, actually.
Yeah. Oh, the thing is, if you put the high octane, it'll take a little longer for it to break down.
Yeah.
So the last tank I put is 94 in here.
I mean, as long as if you just store it over the winter,
Yeah.
you're fine.
Oh, I know. Oh, the only thing is like even during the winter, don't start your bike.
Makes no difference.
Because all
As long as
this,
if you start it for a little bit and let it warm up.
no, all it does, it builds up more condensation. Because you're never burning all that moisture out of your engine, your exhaust. So then shit starts to rust.
So turn here, I think.
Like if you take it out and you ride it for about 10-20 minutes, then yeah. But starting it,
We should turn here.
yep, no
Turn
problem. Yeah, if you start it, it'll never get to good temperature to burn off all that moisture.
Well, I was guilty of that because in January when I got my computer back,
Yeah.
plugged it in, I'm like, I gotta hear this thing.
Yeah, that's, because you just got it back.
More bikes.
Yeah. Look, 150.
Okay, let's switch sides. You go in front of me and go to the right. That friggin' exhaust is loud.
Oh, sorry about that.
That's okay. That's a little better. A little better.
Oh, you can't hear it as bad down that side. Especially when it's
Still
colder.
hear it.
Yeah. Oh, I know. I started my bike when I was just getting ready and I didn't have my earplugs on. And I'm going, holy fuck, is it loud on a cold start.
It's getting colder a little further north we go.
Ah. Then we'll just, after this, we'll head south. Head south to Florida. Yeah, honey, I'm going to Florida. Fuck this weather.
Yeah.
You imagine Florida, you can ride all year round. Oh, that'll be nice.
I hear what you say about the fingers getting cold.
Yeah, just my tips.
King Road. You want to turn right on 16.
Yeah, that's up ahead. Should be. Yeah, because 15 is coming up next after King Road, then it's 16. And it should be paved. No gravel. Da, 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 da. Ching.
Look, here's your hand warmer.
Yeah.
Just hold your engine block.
I had winter gloves. I fucking can't find any of my old shit.
Yeah, but when it gets that cold, is there really a point?
No, it's just that you want to go out. That's about it. Oh, if I plug in my heated vest, it warms up my core. Hey, there's Happy Hippie's house.
Yeah. You rip up and down his driveway.
Yeah. Oh, his wife has a motorcycle license. She came to a show with the trike. Oh, this shoulder here, nicely paved.
Yeah.
It is so smooth compared to that crap. Like, I see your bike bouncing. I haven't bounced once yet. The only thing is the GoPros don't like this cold weather. They'll start-
Everything with the battery doesn't like cold weather.
No, they shut off pretty quick. Yeah, next year I'm gonna have it all set up that I'm gonna have a battery pack, so I don't even have to carry batteries anymore.
Nice.
I'm gonna run it from here, put a battery pack in my jacket, and we're good to go.
Want to get that microphone that captures the exhaust sound?
Yeah. Oh, mind you, hear it through the mic I have in my helmet.
Is this it? No.
No, this is
I don't
15. 16 is the next one. And this is also says no exit, and it's a gravel road.
I ain't doing that.
Yeah, no gravel. Now see, I heard yours burp right now.
Yeah, the Long Johns help on this one.
Oh, I know, I didn't even think of putting them on. Like, I got the thermal ones too. From Under Armour.
Yeah.
Yeah, number, they come like 2, 3, and 4. 4 is the highest. Oh fuck, I wore those hunting all day outside. I never got cold once. Cause I
These
bought,
have a nice pair. I can't find them anymore.
yeah. Well, Under Armour makes a nice one. Like, they're rated. Even the kids have them now. They're like, cold. Like, go get the Under Armour. You get number 4s, I said. Get the shirt and pants, and you'll be fine. So they wear them now. They're like, fuck, man, I'm warm.
Is this it up here?
Yeah, this should be it.
Oh.
Yeah, this is 16. What the hell are all these people here for?
I don't know. They're praying over something, probably.
Oh, they just gathered there and they're having a barbecue.
Really?
Oh, I don't know. I just seen him sitting on the chair or rock, whatever the hell was down there.
It's a nice little road.
Yeah. Oh, it is. Even down there, because we're in a ditch, they don't even get the wind. Oh, we came to see a motorcycle up here.
The homes on this street are pretty amazing.
Yeah, it was on the street. I think one of the houses that we just passed. Like it goes, the bike was never dropped and it had scratches all on the left side. And I'm like, what do you mean? Oh, that's just rubbing against the garage door. I go, how about this one? That one hit the brick. And that one, no, that's, everybody had an excuse for it. I'm like, yeah, I don't think so. I go, just be honest, you dropped your bike. And then he took $1,000 right off the price. He goes, okay, I'll give it to you for this amount. I'm like, fuck, you just dropped $1,000. And then I looked at the chain and stuff. I go, he's never cleaned it. I go, I bet you never did any maintenance on it.
Shit.
Oh, that, I mean, if I seen everything else, like a few scratches I can live with. But then when you see the chain is rusty, and I'm looking at the oil is dirty, I'm going, fuck. I go, when did the last time you did an oil change on this thing? You know, when's the last time you cleaned the bike?
Is Anthony still selling his, he thinks, or
Sorry?
is Anthony gonna sell his?
Yeah, Anthony and two other guys are selling their bikes. Iggy's selling, and then I think Luis is selling also.
And what bikes do they have? One's got an R3, right?
No, both of them have 400s. All three of them are 400s.
Can't see.
Yeah, that's why I moved up higher. Okay, we're good. Yeah, Anthony went to play pickleball now. When he comes home, I'll ask him, I go, who's out of your friends and yourself is selling their bikes? And they're all near each other, so you can do all of them, see them all on the same day.
I know Anthony's a little hard on his bike. I know, eh?
This is so nice. Look at this. Hope I have the camera going. Oh yeah, he rides hard. Anthony, yeah, but also it's got new tires, new fairings.
He takes care of it.
Oh yeah. Oil.
You make sure he takes care of it.
Oil
right?
change is done. He cleans his, lubricates his chain like every week. Yeah, he does his maintenance on it. Even every every after, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, he checks his tire pressure.
Better than us.
Oh, I haven't checked my tire pressure since I bought the bike. I'll check it next year when I take it out and do an oil change. Oh, these things don't leak that bad. I remember my Yamaha. Fuck, I would go the whole year and it'll still be at the same pressure. Oh, a little cabin. See, I like the trees like this, you know, they turn red, yellow. That makes them look nice. Oh, you gotta remember, if you're buying any 400s, whoever wrote it did write them hard.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they're all learning. Oh, car on the left.
bit of engine warranty.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll take that.
Yeah, Anthony's got also grip warmers.
Oh, nice.
Oh, he bought them with them on. Because he bought the bike from an old man. Fuck, I haven't done this road in a while.
We did it a month ago.
Oh, did we? 16?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a nice road.
Oh, it is.
Just looks different in the fall.
So sometimes I come up here to grab my trailer,
Okay, and you come down this road?
but I'm coming down this road at like 5:30, 6 a.m. when it's pitch black.
Yeah.
Bit of a challenge.
Put your high beams on, you'll be okay.
Then I get to the yard, I go to hook up the trailer, I gotta get my flashlight.
Oh, you don't have a light in the back of your truck you can turn on from a switch?
It's nothing super bright.
No. You should put one. Go to, what's it called, Princess Auto?
I got that mag light, so I just stick it on the tailgate.
Okay, that's good enough.
It's just getting cold.
Yeah, I feel it. Oh, once we get to the yard here, I'm going to plug in my vest. See if it still works.
Yeah. I'm gonna close all my vents.
Oh, I did. My helmet vents are shut off. My jacket vents are all shut. This should be different.
It was hot just in the driveway. I had them open. Oh, fresh air. But
Why does this road say King?
I don't know. This is different. Hey, we're clear.
I went to cash and carry today, this morning with Rose. I bought the pods for the Nespresso machine.
Okay.
Right from Italy once.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And there were, for a box of 10, were $3.80, $89.
Are they expired or?
No. They sell to restaurants, convenience stores, so you're buying it at wholesale, not retail.
Gotcha.
Like everything in that place is wholesale in there. It's like a Costco for stores. Like if you don't have a business number, they won't let you in.
I buy all my garbage bags at one of those stores in Mississauga.
Oh, okay.
Cheap.
Yeah.
Where I go to the supplier, they're like $32. I'm like 13 there.
Yeah. Oh, because that's where your suppliers are buying them from too.
Yeah. I'm up here on the left.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. These two pylons.
Yeah. I remember last time you were saying it.
See if the gate's closed or open.
I don't know.